CoinTracker and Koinly are two of the most recommended crypto tax tools out there right now, and on the surface, they look pretty similar. Both track your portfolio, both calculate your taxes, and both generate reports you can actually file. But dig a little deeper, and they are solving different problems for different types of users. In this video, we are breaking down exactly how they compare so you can make the right call for your situation. Let's get into it. Here is all you need to know before we go deeper. CoinTracker is built for US investors who want a premium all-in-one experience, especially if Coinbase is your primary exchange and TurboTax is how you file. Koinly is built for everyone else, international investors, active DeFi and NFT users, and anyone who wants more features for less money. Now let's look at what actually makes each one worth considering. CoinTracker's biggest strengths are its ecosystem integrations and its portfolio tracking depth. As the official partner of both Coinbase and TurboTax, it offers the smoothest possible data flow for US-based investors. If you buy on Coinbase and file with TurboTax, the connection between those two steps is about as seamless as crypto taxes can get. It also connects with H&R Block and TaxAct for those who prefer alternative filing platforms. The real-time portfolio performance analytics are genuinely strong. This is not just a tax tool. It doubles as a wealth tracker that gives you a live, intuitive view of how your investments are performing throughout the year. One standout feature is multi-year coverage. A single paid plan typically includes tax reports for all previous years, which is a meaningful benefit for long-term investors who need to go back and clean up older filing history. That kind of coverage is rare and genuinely valuable. On pricing, CoinTracker offers a free tier for portfolio tracking only, with no tax previews. Paid plans run from $59 per year up to $599 at the top end. Priority support is reserved for paid and premium tiers. Koinly's biggest strengths are value and global reach. It connects to over 1,000 exchanges, wallets, and platforms, and supports more than 170 blockchains. That breadth of coverage makes it particularly strong for DeFi and NFT users, where automated transaction handling across liquidity pools, complex swaps, and cross-chain activity is where a lot of tools fall short. Koinly leads in this area. On international support, Koinly covers over 100 countries with specialized tax reports, including the UK, Canada, Australia, Germany, and more. CoinTracker is heavily focused on the US market, so for anyone outside of it, Koinly is clearly the stronger choice. The free tier is also more generous than CoinTracker's. With Koinly, you get full feature access, including complete tax calculations, gains and loss summaries, and tax previews at no cost. You only pay when you want to download the final report. That try-before-you-buy approach removes a lot of the risk from committing to a paid plan. Pricing tops out at $199 per year for the highest transaction tier, which is significantly lower than CoinTracker's upper-range plans. Live chat support is available across all tiers. Here is how they compare on what matters most. On integrations, Koinly wins on volume with over 1,000 platforms versus CoinTracker's 500+, though CoinTracker's Coinbase and TurboTax depth is hard to beat for US users. On portfolio tracking, CoinTracker has the edge with real-time analytics and a more polished wealth management dashboard. On global tax support, Koinly is the clear winner, covering over 100 countries, versus CoinTracker's US-first focus. On DeFi and NFT handling, Koinly leads with more extensive automated support across newer chains and complex transaction types. On pricing, Koinly is significantly more affordable across all tiers. On the free tier, Koinly wins outright. Full feature access with tax previews versus CoinTracker's tracking-only free plan. On multi-year tax coverage, CoinTracker's single plan covering all prior years is a meaningful advantage for long-term investors. Here is the straightforward version. Go with CoinTracker if you are a US investor. Coinbase is your main exchange, you file with TurboTax, and you want a premium, all-in-one dashboard that handles both portfolio tracking and tax filing in one polished experience. Go with Koinly if you are outside the US, active in DeFi or NFTs, working across many platforms and blockchains, or simply looking for the most cost-effective way to generate a reliable, accurate tax report. Both CoinTracker and Koinly are genuinely capable tools. The right one just comes down to where you are based, how you invest, and what you are willing to spend. If this helped you figure out which direction to go, drop a comment below. And if you want more honest comparisons like this one, make sure you subscribe. We will see you in the next one.